Rainbow learning.
Hi kids! Today we are going to learn counting, inward counting. Let's go and learn inward counting. 1 O N E 1 2 T W O 2 2 3 T H R E E 3 3 4 F O U R 4 4 5 F I V E 5 5 6 S I X 6 6 7 S E V E N 7 7 8 E I G H T 8 8 9 N I N E 9 9 10 T E N 10 10 So, this is inward counting. Let's learn again. Let's go and learn with me. Come on. O anyone? T W O 2 T H R E 3 F O U R 4